welcome to Naturally Corporate. I'm so glad that you stopped by. So I'm really happy today. That's why I'm cheesing from ear to ear, because I'm using a brand new product, which is always exciting, and I'm planning to do a flat twist out. It's been forever since I did a flat twist out here on my channel because the summer of 2021, I discovered Wash and Goes, or rather I discovered products that would give me amazing looking wash and goes, and I just got excited. I really got carried away and started trying so many new products, but my heart will forever be with flat twist outs. I love them so much. I figured out how to really just perfect a flat twist out that I love and that looks really great. So I stick to it. I love them, love them, love them. The product that I'm using is by Honey's Handmade. It is the Honey Twist and Define Butter. Now I am new to the Honey's Handmade brand. I bought this back on Black Friday of 2020. And here we are almost a year later, and all I've done is take off the wrapper, the little plastic wrapper. And so I love it when I look in my closet and find new products that I purchased and haven't used yet. So this is one of them. This is the third product that I've tried from Honey's Handmade. I've tried the Cleansing and Clarifying Co-Wash and the Healthy Hydration Hair Mask. And I will link both of those videos in the description box. And you might see them up top here on a little white card that slides by. If you see it, you can click on it or just finish watching this video and then look for the links to those other two videos in the description box. But definitely check them out. And let me know if you use Honey's Handmade, if you're familiar with that brand, and if you have some favorite products, because like I said, this is only the third item that I'm trying, but the first two impressed me. They really did impress me. So I am using the Twist and Define Butter. I'm doing a flat twist out like I mentioned. And I am just going to get started. I'm going to show you my hair. What I'm going to do right now is just kind of comb through it to make sure that there are no tangles and that it's all nice and smooth. I'm using my new wet comb. I'm so excited. You know, products, getting new products, something as simple as a comb. I got the new wet comb and I have the wet brush too, but I'm using them. I haven't used the brush yet, but I'm using the comb, and there's something to it. I'm so glad that a few of my viewers suggested that I try the wet comb and the wet brush, and I found it. The combo at Kohl's, and so I grabbed it. But I'm just going to comb through my hair to make sure that there are no tangles and that it's all, no shed hairs in there. And then I'm going to start putting in my flat twist. Now my hair is really moisturized from the hydration mask, the hydration hair mask. So I am going to try using the butter with no leave-in. My hair does well with products, with one product, as long as it's a good one. So I'm going to try this Twist and Define Butter with no leave-in, just using the product by itself. All right, y'all, I have finished the entire back section of my head. I put all my flat twists in back there, and I think I've got about 5. So far, I am loving the Twist and Define Butter. Initially, I thought I might have to use a leave-in because my hair was starting to dry out. I didn't have a plastic cap on or anything. After I washed my hair out from the hair mask, so it was starting to dry out a little bit, and I figured I may need a leave-in. Once I refreshed my hair with a little water and put on this Twist and Define Butter, this stuff has so much moisture. My hair started coming back to life again. You'll see. Y'all, I'm back, and I love my twists so much. I left them in. It is 5 days later. I did my hair like 2 days before Labor Day. I think I did my hair on that Saturday, and I just felt comfortable with them. I ran a few errands with them. What I did is the two on the four on the sides, I just kind of pulled them back, put my scrunchie on, and I went about my business. I was with family and, you know, just kind of running some general errands, and I was comfortable in my twists, and I never took them down. So in the meantime, it just kind of turned into a protective style, and I'm not mad at it. I, of course, was intentionally reviewing the twisting butter, but, which I don't even have with me. I got my Twist and Define butter. As I was saying, I was originally featuring this product, planning to show you what type of flat twist out it would give me, but that didn't happen so far. So my flat twists turned into a protective style, so I just started to treat it as such over the past 5 days. And what I did was just started taking care of my scalp and taking care of my hair, because I, you know, at some point eventually realized I'm not taking these twists out. So if you want to know what I put on my scalp and hair, I will leave that information in the description box. But hey, let's go ahead and take these twists out. My hair is dirty. It's only been 5 days, but I have a scalp or skin condition called dermatitis. So my scalp gets dry, it itches, I scratch, and I get flakes. So that's what's been going on over these 5 days too. So I will maybe get a 1 day's wear out of this flat twist out, because it just might have too much debris in it. And while I'm taking these down, I'll tell you that my twists dried very soft, a very nice soft hold, which is fine. I only used the one product. I only used the Twist and Define butter. I did not use a leave-in, nor did I use any type of holding gel. So I didn't expect to get any type of firm hold on the twist out, which made it perfect for these flat twists. Okay, y'all, all my twists are down, and I think it's kind of cute. My hair is probably dirty as I don't know what, and when I go to the bathroom and look in the mirror, I'll be able to see all the stuff that's in there. But at first glance, it's really pretty, and it's so soft. I wish you could feel it. Remember, I didn't use a leave-in. All I used was the Twist and Define butter. I didn't use a leave-in. I didn't use anything else, just this one product. And that's all I needed. That's all I needed. Let me show you the back. All right, like I said, I don't know what it's looking like. But here's the back. Y'all know I love flat twist outs, and I found a brand new product that I love. I really, really like this. Honey's Handmade is from the Moisture Replenishing Collection. My hair is definitely moisturized. I'm going to definitely wear this. I've got a couple of days out of this this twist out, and I'm loving it. And maybe I could even flip it over. Ooh, I thought that was some dry scalp, but I typically wear a side part, so I could flip it over. Look at this. Y'all, I like it. Okay, friends, so that's it. I could just keep ranting and raving, but I'll end the video here. I hope my results speak for themselves. Okay, anyway, my final thoughts on the Twist and Define Butter by Honey's Handmade. 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up, absolutely. I just have nothing more to say except it's great. If you have fine hair like me, I would recommend that you try it. And I like to try some products, or most products, when I'm doing a flat twist out. I like to try the product by itself. If it's a twisting butter or a twisting cream, I like to try it by itself just because I may not need anything else. And I'm glad I did. That was the case with this. So if you have hair that you think may be similar to mine, give this a try. And like I said before, Black Friday is coming up. I got this from Black Friday of last year. Woo! I think I'm gonna add it to the list. Definitely gonna add it to the list. Yeah, this trifecta that Honey's Handmade has, the co-wash, the hydrating mask, and this butter, this was an awesome first time using a new product. How's that? Awesome experience using a new product line for the very first time. I have nothing more to say. Go check out Honey's Handmade if you have not. I'm a fan. All right, friends, until next time, keep it naturally corporate.